Alright guys, welcome to hopefully another fun unboxing. It was just a few days ago that I ordered something from Drone Camps, from Captain Drone and the RC Saylors, and I can't believe how quickly this came in. I really like the packaging. It looks very cool and hip. And wow, this is the first out of those 3 packages that just came through the mail. Let's see what we got here. And look at this. This is super cute. Super cute. It's pink. It's very pink. It is large for children, and hopefully it'll fit me. But it's really not for me because it'll eventually grow. Eventually it'll be the right size for my daughter to wear, but look at that cool logo right there. Now I'm hoping that at some point I'll be able to get some stickers from the RC Saylors, but I don't.
Likey.